Mine's glue. I mean, mine is
glue.
water, actually.
It's water again? Have glue, guys.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright, guys, so today we're going to be doing the Don't Choose the Wrong Water Bottle Challenge. And this is also my mom,
Jada.
and she is awesome, so yeah. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo! So guys, basically this challenge is where we have a bunch of water bottles here, and some of them have glue and some of them have water. So we don't know which one because they're all just, you know, clear, water or glue. And yeah, so basically we're just gonna pick random ones. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I first, okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who does it first. So rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Okay.
I think I want to choose this one.
My turn.
Wait,
I'll choose this one. I'll choose this blue one. Okay, ready? Is it glue or is it water?
Yay!
Yay, mine's glue! I got blue glue!
Wait, do we do all of it?
Alrighty guys, we got bigger bowl box things because this was way too small. I did not realize how big these were. Okay, so let's continue. Oh, this kind of looks like it actually is kind of water, you know, like cartoon water or something. Yeah, yours is actually a it's black glue with red pigment. It's really pretty. Alright guys, let's get on to the next round. Okay, so I choose this one.
All right, Ameerah.
Okay, you choose one.
I choose this one.
Alright, let's see. Oh, mine's glue! What's yours?
Oh, mine's glue. No, mine's orange soda.
Okay, then drink it, Mom.
Would you want some?
No, you drink it.
No, but I'm nice.
I don't like orange soda. I'm
first.
allergic to oranges.
Yeah, I'm gonna diet. So yeah, no, I'm gonna pass today.
Okay, well I got green glue. This is gonna look cool.
Ooh, this is nice. Look, Ameerah.
Ooh, this looks amazing.
Look at that.
This looks so cool, guys. It kind of looks like yellow. What the heck? Wow, this is so cool.
Look at mine, Ameerah. It's so pretty. Look, Ameerah. Ameerah.
Oh, yours is like so pigmented.
I love this one.
Next round, I choose this one.
And I choose this one.
Let's see. Oh, I think mine's water. It has a bunch of glitter in it. I need to shake it though. Well, there you go.
Mine's definitely water.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Do I put it all in
Yours
there?
water?
Yeah, I think.
It looks so thick.
Do I put it all in there?
Yeah. Guys, mine looks so cool. It has a bunch of glitter in it. Like, look at that.
Trade you. Well, mine's cooler. It's all yellow.
Okay, look at mine. Ooh, that looks actually really cool.
I want that one.
Next round,
I choose this one.
Okay, and I choose this one. Oh, it's water again.
And it's very dark water. Oh God, I don't want this one.
Too. You know, mine actually looks pretty good. But I think that's like
look at it.
black with
But it's
pigment.
red on the top.
Ooh, it looks so pretty. Wow. Oh, mine just looks kind of like blue now. Alrighty, guys, the next round. I choose this one. It's green one.
I choose this one.
Oh,
mine's
mine's
glue.
glue. Mine's glue. I mean, mine is
glue.
water, actually.
It's water again? Have glue, guys. The glitter's stuck at the top, though.
Wonder how mine's gonna turn out. Wonder what color mine is gonna be. Oh, it looks so cool from the bottom. Kind of looks like the ocean or something. Next round, I choose that one.
That one.
Okay, what is it? Yay! I got glue! This is red glue, I think. Kind of looks coral. Coral, I mean. Oh, you can't see it anymore. Okay, we're down to We're down to the last four. Okay, choose.
I choose this one.
Okay, and I choose this one.
Water.
Oh, I got water too. Oh, you used some pigment.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Look at how pretty. Ameerah, look. Guys, look at this one.
Look at this. It's beautiful. Whoa.
Oh my God.
It
This
looks like a bath bomb or
pretty.
something like that.
Look at that, guys.
Ooh.
All right.
Okay, we have two more, guys. I
want the yellow one.
I think we should do rock, paper, scissors to see
No.
who chooses what. All right, you ready? Whoever wins gets to choose it. Okay, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Why do you always do rock? Okay, you choose. Who goes first?
I think I want the yellow one.
Okay, wow. Okay. Okay, I got the orange or yellow, I mean red. It's water, as you can see. Or very watery glue, but I'm pretty sure it's just water. Alrighty, well we are all done. I cannot wait until my slime is done. I really want to see what it's gonna turn out to be. So yeah, we gotta
what
mix
about
it.
my slime? Can you wait till my slime's done?
Your slime's gonna be really cool because it's gonna be probably like gold black slime. Okay guys, come over here so you guys can see the fantastic mixing. I just want to say something really quick. Like my judge, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys get it? Did I get you? Let's continue. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and mix this now. You can't really see anything. It's just kind of like black mess now. You should look at the bottom though. It looks really cool. Look at the bottom.
All right, guys, look at mine. Look at that. Look at the pigment. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Yep, Ameerah, it's right. You're right, Ameerah.
Mine's a really dark
that.
purple, I think.
I love the pigment. It has some like little dots of red. I don't know why.
Yeah, I think that's like red pigment.
On the top.
Oh, mine kind of looks like a sky. Look it. It's like the night sky, like a galaxy.
Okay, that's pretty.
All right, guys, now it's time to activate.
It's gonna need a lot. Ooh, it's already activating. Look at that, Ameerah. Ameerah, look at guys.
Yes.
Look at this.
Okay, I cannot wait till mine because like mine is kind of like a really dark purple and it has this holographic sparkles in it and it looks kind of like night sky or something.
Oh my God.
This looks so cool. I think I'm almost done, guys. This is taking forever. This is really hard because like you have to like mix the slime without it like spilling out of the box. And it's like really watery, so. Ah!
I'm tired. Do they have like a mixer or something here?
3 weeks later.
Alright guys, I'm all done with activating my slime. Are you done, Mom?
I think I'm done.
Mine is, I think, a lot more watery than my mom's because I mean, look at it.
Yep.
It's super sticky. It
like
doesn't
Jell-O.
get off my hands. But I like it a lot. It's like super jiggly and super like
mine.
fun to play with.
Like
what? Alright guys, I think it is time for ASMR. I go first.
I go second.
Here's my slime, guys. It's very watery. It's really weird. And it's really sticky for some reason, but I kind of like the texture. I think maybe if I just add more activator. Okay, I think it's getting better. Adding more activator. I wonder how this will look when it's all cleared up. I wonder how nice it will be. Like, be super clear and super jiggly. I love super clear jiggly slimes.
Alright guys, well mine, it was kind of tired by now, but it looked like it had a lot of pigment. And do you see it here, Ameerah? Because I don't see it anymore. So am I going to be able to see it after?
Yeah,
but
once
it's pretty,
it up, it will be really pretty.
it's pretty stretchy. I'm surprised after all this hard work and hours of, it was like 12 hours of like kneading this thing. And yeah, I'm like exhausted, but Ameerah, shh.
Oh, sorry.
No, because she said it was just like an hour. It wasn't like an hour. It's like 12 hours of work. And I don't know, Ameerah. What do you think of my slime? Can you tell me?
It's better than my slime. Mine is like rippy and sticky.
Pretty cool. Guys, I think it's pretty good. I like it. can't wait to see it after. And yeah, this is my slime.
Alright guys, so that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment if you guys want to do a part 2 for this. I feel like it was super fun. I could not tell the difference between glue and water at all. Like, it's crazy. You would expect, like, you'd think, like, oh, the water's super jiggly, but, like, I didn't notice at all. I had to open that thing jigger. Anyways, you guys comment down below if you want to do a part 2, like I said already. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!